So, we've got El Mirage coming up, Saturday, Sunday. The rules changed this year. All these tags are rule changes, all the red ones apply to us. So there's nothing too bad, stuff like, you know, all high voltage systems must be marked in bright orange, hence all this orange. Inertia switch, main disconnect, warning lights, that kind of thing. Some protection for the cables. The big problem we had last year where we didn't conform with the rules was I'm too tall. I don't fit in the bike. The fairing extends back too far. The rules state that the rider must be fully visible from the side and the top, and my nose was sitting inside of here. So we're gonna put the bike all together. I'm gonna suit up, get on the bike, and we'll see just how much clearancing we need, because I can't take much out of my neck.
Why not?
Why not? Lose a couple vertebrae?
Cut his legs off.
I'll take them.
Wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I would call her.
I'm glad I've got all this help putting the fairing on.
You know what? You're getting kind of bossy.
Man, I followed you out here. You told me I was going to put all this
All right, well, let's go. Do the damn thing.
So this is the problem that we have, is that the rules state that from the side and from the top, the whole rider must be visible, apart from the forearms. So with a helmet on, in a racing position, my head extends past this this fairing here. So we're gonna have to take some Dremel, I reckon, and I don't know, it seems like we're gonna take a decent amount out of there. We'll see.
That's what's comfortable?
No, but I can ride like this.
Okay, hold on. That's gonna put it right at the edge.
Taking about, what, inch and a half?
I'd say that's an inch and a half, almost two.
Yeah, because we pushed the whole fairing back too to meet the front wheel rule.
Okay. But hold on, stay there.
The thing is it's better to take off the inch and a half and then take off a little more if you need to, probably.
Okay.
Instead of taking too much.
Yeah, go ahead and come out.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, no, I mean, dude, that's gonna put it right at, this is the biggest part here. That's gonna put it right at the front of your helmet, dude.
Then you're not looking at the visor, right? You're looking at the actual
No.
into the thing.
Get back under there. What do you think, Danny? What?
I think you're about right.
And that's gonna be, and even that's gonna be fudging a little bit. Hold on, let me see.
Yeah, once you put your head down like that, because that's what the race position
So
is.
Yeah.
somebody, if I got called for it, I would be sitting, right, that's as far back as I can possibly be, right there.
Well, then you only
you're
need like
more
a
than
half
clear
an
enough.
inch.
Wait, what's that?
If you're as far back as you can be right now, you're only about a half an inch probably.
Okay, but normal riding position would be about this.
So,
Okay, yeah, no.
and that's
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Wow.
there you go. Now we're acting like we're a hot dog over here. Hot dog customs. That's fairly clean.
It looks like it should be there.
So we've cut a bit of clearance out. Time to get suited back up and find out if we made enough clearance. And you're gonna play the whole Wonder Woman thing again, right?
Seeing daylight.
Pretty good, I think. Not very comfortable, but I reckon that's it.
Comfort is secondary.
Comfort is secondary. All right, I think that's a success. We've taken a few pictures from a few different angles with a few different driving positions. I think we're we're clearing all of them. We're close in a couple, but close is good. So thanks for your help with that, fellas. I'm gonna get de-suited and take a shower.